Good morning. Good morning. So, we are doing statistics. Welcome back after Diwali. Um, I hope you all enjoyed Diwali. You have celebrated safely, I think. Let us start our statistics. Now, I have explained in my last class, I have explained median. Median को explain किया है. अभी उसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स भी करना है. लेट अस डू सम प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, सो नाउ so we will do some problems based on in the from the exercise. Okay, so now you must be watching exercise 13.3. This 13.3 find median, mean, mode. So all the three things he has given in this. Okay, first question, all the mean, median and the mode, all the three things we have to do. And here two missing frequencies, median question. Okay, so like that these questions are there. Let me explain you first median from a textbook. Okay, actually he has explained mode and then he went to median, but I explained first I have explained first median and then I went to mode. Okay, so median one problem I will do and then I will go to I'll go to mode and then we will go to the last exercise. Okay, so now let me explain mode. Mode is a most repeated value. Mode is a most repeated observation. Suppose there are 40 most repeated observation is known as mode. Suppose there are 40 students in a class. 40 students in a class, out of which 30 students got same mark. Let us say 60 out of 100, and remaining 10 students got different marks. So then the average of this class, is equal to 60. These 10 students must have got very less marks. It makes no difference. But most of the students got the same mark. Therefore, in this particular class, there is no mean, there is no median. Directly, um, directly 30, 60 is the mode for this paper, for this class. So when to use this average? Mode is also an average. Mode is also an average. Okay, it is average. All the three things, mean, median, mode, all these three things are averages. Okay, so now for which frequency table this mode is uh, fit? I told you na just now, if the class has more repeated values, then we use this mode for now. Let us have this. Let us have mode of a frequency distribution. Okay. Now I will take a question from the textbook and then we will do it. So 13.2 exercise I will be going. Mode చేసావా? Mode అన్నీ అయిపోయా? So this is the question. Second question of 13.2 exercise. Lifetime, the following table gives um, lifetime. This is nothing but a class interval, CI class interval, and frequency. So 0 to 20 hours electrical components, 0 to 20 hours frequency 10, 20 to 30, 40 frequency 35. So like that, this is the one. Determine the model lifetimes of the component. These are the electrical components. Okay, so this we have to find out model lifetime. That means we have to find out mode. So for this, let us draw the table. Okay, now what to do first? In median, we have taken median class. In this, we have to take the model class. Model class. What is the model class? Model class means where the mode exists. So because mode is most repeated, so in this you have to take the most highest value, highest frequency 61. So this can be the model class. So predicting mode will be there in this 60 to 80, and then we are fixing this particular class as model class. This is different. We took a middle value, but model class is different because it's most repeated. Therefore, this is the model class. Okay. So now formula. Let us have the formula, and then we will go to the this one. Mode is equal to L plus L is lower boundary of the model class. L plus, do you know? L plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height, okay. So now this is the formula F1 minus F0, and what is F1, what is F0? This is what is F1, F0? F1 is frequency of the model class. So this is F1, okay, and F1, F0 is the frequency of the preceding model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class which is coming after the model class. This is preceding and this is after. So now we have got L. L is nothing but the lower boundary. Okay, F1 we got, F0 we got, and H. H is nothing but height of the class. H is equal to height of the class. How much height of the class? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, height of the class is 20. Okay, now we have to substitute the values. Okay, substitute the values. L is how much? L is how much? 60, because lower boundary of the model class. And F1 is how much? 61 minus F0 is 52 by 2F1. 2 into 61 minus F0 is 52 minus 38 into 20. So once you have substituted the values properly, then you can simplify it. So 61 minus 52, 9. 9. 2 into 61, 122 minus 52 minus 38 minus 90. Okay, into 20. So then how much? 60 plus 9 by 122 minus 90. 2 and 32 into 20. Okay, so now 8 table will go, sorry, 4 table will go 8, and this is 5. That's it. So 60 plus 45 by 8. Okay, 60 plus 5.58, which is equal to 65.8. This is the mode of the class. So the most important thing is you should remember the formula. Okay, once if you remember the formula, then you can do everything. Very simplest question. Again, let me explain you. First, we have to identify the model class. Model class is nothing but highest frequency. Highest frequency class is the frequency which is having highest frequency is model class. Okay, 61 is the highest. So 61 is F1, and before this is F0, and this is F2. So F1, F0, F0, F1, F2 are the frequencies, and L is the lower boundary of the model class, and H is the class interval. If you just substitute these values, you will be getting mode. Okay, so all the three are very important. The most perfect average in all the three is the mean. Mean definitely is the perfect. So you can go for mean for every frequency distribution. So now we understood what is mean and what is median and what is a mode. So there is an empirical formula, there is a formula relation among all these things. Using all these three, what is the relation? Can you tell me? Relation for all the three. What is the relation among all the three? Three median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 mean. This is the relation, you have very important, and definitely one question will come on this. Okay, 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean, or mode is equal to, in some books it will be like this, 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so both ways you can remember. This is fine or this is also fine. Both are same. The second one comes from the first one. So this is the relation between mean, median and the mode. Very, very important. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. So now I have explained all the three. Now let us do some questions based on the 3.3 exercise. Okay. Uh, there. Practice it. See? Can I put your parole? Well, probability test ఉందా? ఇక్కడ కూర్చో లేదా అక్కడ కూర్చో, ఇక్కడ కూర్చో లేదా అక్కడ కూర్చో. So 3.3 first question let us do. This is 3.3 first question. The following frequency distribution: monthly consumption of electricity, 68 consumers are there, total 68 consumers are there, and find the median, find mean, median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So there are 4 tasks. Task 1 is find median, task 2 is find median mean, task 3 is find mode, and finally you have to compare them, which is big, which is small, like that. So now it is in the increasing order, 65 to 180, 205. So height of the class is height of the class, 85 minus 25, 65, 20. Height of the class is 20, here also 20, 20. So height of the class is 20. That means class interval is 20. Okay. So class interval is 20. Then you have to do all the procedures like for mean you have to find out mean, use direct method or indirect method, because all are smaller values but these are bigger values. Find mean by deviation method. Okay, this is the first task. After that, median you can use any method, no problem. There is only one method. Mode is also there is only one method. So I hope you can do it, right? It's one of the simplest problem, all the three things. Okay, you can look back to my videos, how to find out mean, how to find out the median, etc, etc. Okay, so at this point I'll stop my class, and then tomorrow I'll be teaching you only one day probability I'm going to teach tomorrow.